Number 6, we have 1 to power 7. 1, it can be any power, doesn't matter, it's going to be 1. You know why? Because let's say write down 7 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, and so on. So it's 1. 1 to power million, how much is it? 1. Okay, number 7. Let me see if I can, well, okay, we'll go like that. Number 7, now 17 to power 1. If you take number raised to power 1, meaning that number by itself, so it's going to be 17, one time only. Number 8, 3 times 2 to power 3. That's mean 3 times 2 to power 3, meaning 3 times 1, 2, 3, right? So this is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. Number 9, 12 divided by 4 times 3 plus 2. Okay, we need to simplify. So here we have to go through order of operation, right? To know which one we do first, which one we do second. For order of operation, let me write down here. Order operation. First, the highest priority is parentheses and exponent. Whichever come first. Parentheses and exponents, they don't compete. If exponent come first, you do exponent. Parentheses come first, you do parentheses. Second one, multiplication and division. Whichever come first. First come multiplication, I do multiplication. First come division, I do division. For example, let me take example here. If I have 24 divided by 6 times 2. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. Next, I have 3 times 9. And let me see. No, let me take better number so it will talk. 3 times 10 and divide by 5. So 3 times 10 is 30. And then divide by 5, it's going to be 6. So order between multiplication and division, there is no competition, whichever come first. Okay. Next, number 3, addition, subtraction, just the same way as multiplication, division. First come the addition, we do addition. First come subtraction, we do subtraction. The competition goes between these 3 levels. Highest priority is first level, second level, and then third level. Let's solve it here. What do we have? So first come, we have multiplication, division, and addition. So multiplication and division, I'm going to do first. So first come 12 divided by 4. It's going to be 3. Times 3 plus 2. Next, 3 times 3. It's going to be 9 plus 2. And finally, the answer is going to be 11. Next, number 10. 21 divided by, oh no, I'm sorry, it's addition. 21 plus 54 divided by 9. 54 divided by 9, the fractional line is a division. See, when I put 6 over 3, I will write down 2. Why? Because this is division. I'm reading 6 divided by 3. Therefore, fraction, I have simplification, I'm doing first. So 54 divided by 9, how much it's going to be? 6, right? 21 plus 6, and it's going to be equal 27. Next, 11. 7 times 8 plus 7 times 9. Okay, I'm doing first this multiplication, 56, this multiplication, 63, and then I need to add 56 plus 63. How I am adding? So 56, 63. 6 plus, I'm starting from the back. Last numbers first. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So 119. Okay. Number 12. We have 9 plus 8 divided by 4 over 1 to power 8. So it's going to be 9 plus 8 divided by 4. It's going to be how much? 2, right? So this is first operation, this is second operation. 1 to power 8 is 1. Then 9 plus 2 is 11 over 1, and it's equal 11. Number 13. 3 plus 2 squared divided by 7 times 5 squared. Okay, first thing, like I said, the highest priority has parentheses and exponent. So exponent come first because it's within parentheses. So I have to take care of what is inside of parentheses before I do parentheses. So 2 squared is 4, right? 3 plus 4 divided by 7 times 5 squared is 25. Next, 3 times 4 is 7 divided by 7 times 25. So division, multiplication. I'm doing first division. 7 by 7 is 1 times 25. The answer is 25. Next, number 14. I have 3 squared times 6 minus 4 plus 3 squared, 3 cubed, and plus 9 squared. Okay, so first operation we are doing, it's going to be parentheses and exponents, right? So here it is, 3 squared is exponent, is 9, times 6 minus 4 is 2, right? And then plus 3 cubed, it's going to be 27. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And plus 9 squared is 81. So from here, 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 27 plus 81. Now, since it's addition, so you can add all together. Let's add it. So 18 plus 27 plus 81. 8 plus 7 is 15, and plus 1 is 16. 1 in mind. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11, and 1 also will be 12. 126. Okay, next question. 15. 2 divided by 0 plus 16. Divided by 16. I'll tell you something. Oh no, it's addition. My apologies. So You can never ever divide by 0. I can tell you that much. It cannot happen. I'll use red color. Okay, this is 0. You can never divide by 0. It's undefined. So since it's undefined, you can divide by 0. Then this is undefined, the answer. Next one, number 16. 2 cubed times 4 minus 30 divided by 3. Okay, so first operation we are doing cube. 2 to power 3 is going to be 8. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Times 8 minus 30 divided by 3. It's going to be 10, right? Okay. 8 times 4 is 32 minus 10, and the answer is 22. 17. 3 to power 4 minus 38 minus 13 minus 5. Okay, let's see what we get. 3 to power 4. That means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 9. This is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So 3 to power 4 is 81 minus. Next, I'm going to do first in parentheses. So it's 38 minus 13 minus 5. It's going to be 8. 81 minus 38 minus 8 is going to be 30. And here we get 51. 18. It's going to be 4 times 2 squared plus 8 minus 6 times 3 and minus 10 multiplied by 3. Okay, so we get 4 times 2 squared is going to be 4 plus 8 minus 6 is 2 times 3 minus 10 times 3. Next, 4 times 4 plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 10 times 3. Next, 4 times 10 minus 10 times 3. Next, 4 times 10 is 40 minus 10 times 3 is 30. And the result is 10. Number 19. We have 7 squared plus 2 squared minus 1 squared. 8 divided by 2 times 7 times 1, and we need divide by 7. Okay, let's see. In numerator we have 7 squared, which is going to be 7 times 7, 49, plus 2 squared is 4, and then minus 1. Next, 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 7 times 1 divided by 7. Next, we are getting 40 plus 4 is 53 And 53 minus 1 will be 52. Okay, let's see here what we get. 4 times 7, 28. 28 times 1 is 28, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. Divided by 7 is 4. 52 divided by 4 is going to be 13. Okay. Question number 20. 2 divided by 5 squared. 5 times 17 minus 13 minus 3 squared minus 8. All right. Let's see what we get. 2 divided by 5 squared is 25. Yes? Okay. Oh, actually it's plus. I was wondering it because it was getting fraction. Okay. Plus 25. Very good. Much better. Next, 5 times. I have to take care of parentheses. 17 minus 13, it's going to be 4, right? Minus 3 squared. Well, I can take care of 3 squared, also put 9. And minus 8. Okay, from here. 2 plus 25 is 27. 5 times the 4, it's going to be 20. Minus 9 minus 8. I will get from here 27. 20 minus 9 is going to be 11 minus 8. And then 27. 11 minus 8 is 3, and answer is 9. 21. 15 divided by 5 plus 3 squared times 2 minus 2. Okay, so first operation I'm doing this 3 squared, it's 9, so once I know it's 9, I can multiply here by 2. Okay, let me rewrite. And 15 divided by 3, it's going to be 3 plus, okay. From here, I'm getting 3 plus 9 times 2 is 18 minus 2. And then I'm solving one after another. 3 plus 18 is 21 minus 2. And here we get 19. 22. We are getting 13 divided by 18 minus 5 plus 2 to power 6 minus 3 plus 1 to power 2. Okay, let's solve it. So first we are taking care of parentheses, so it's going to be 13 divided by 18 minus 5 is 13 plus 2 to power 6. It's going to be, let's see how I'm going to count it. I can break down 2 to power 3, 2 to power 3. 2 to power 3 is 8. Here is also 8. 8 times 8, 64. Minus 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 squared, might as well, let me write down here. 4 squared is going to be 16. Next, 13 divided by 13 is 1. plus 64 minus 16. 1 plus 64, it's going to be 65 minus 16. And 65 minus 16. 15 minus 6, it's going to be 9. Here left 5, right? 5 minus 1 is 4. 49. Okay. 23. 7 squared minus curly braces 16 minus 8 divided by 2 times 4, oops, plus 5 plus 5 squared. Okay, let's solve it. So first thing, we are doing 7 squared, it's going to be 49 minus. Let's see what we have here inside. I have to do next 2 times 4, it's going to be 8. And it will be 16 minus square root, square bracket, 8 divided by 8 plus 5. And plus 5 squared, also exponent, 25. Next, 49 minus 16 minus 8 divided by 8 is 1 plus 5 and plus 25. Next, 49 minus 16 minus, so since inside parentheses 1 and 5, I put here 6, and then plus 25. 49 minus 16 minus 6 is 10 plus 25. These two put in parentheses because we need to solve everything that is inside, only then go to outside. So here it's going to be equal 49 minus 35. And it's going to be equal here 14. And the last question. Find the area and perimeter of the square. Let's see. Okay, square, almost. So the side is 2 meters. So the area of the square, if this one side is 2 meters, that means the other side also 2 meters, right? Area of square is equal. Area is equal length times width. Since length and width in this case we have same, we just multiply by 2. And it's going to get 4 square meters. Perimeter on the other side is a sum of all sides, which is going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? Which is going to be 4 and 4, 8 meters. That's all. See you in next video.